Outsourcing Angel retreat. So I just want to say thank you for being here, for being such loyal and hardworking team. I can't even call you my employees or anything. I just feel like we're all friends and I love hanging out with you. We don't just walk away with memories, but walk away with growing ourselves and growing the company as well.
There's a river, could have taken us home, but you lost me.
I love that everyone is here because they love to be here. Coming together, brainstorming, and really focusing on how we can achieve goals for the business. We're all just so excited to see each other. I just love how our team members embrace each other. You know, some people were like tearing up, excited about meeting their colleagues.
Our team, our mission, and I know especially our leaders, Lynn, we gave so much love and dedication into what we do. We put in so much love into our work. Of course, it will translate different than other company because we work with our hearts.
So it's not just all about work, but also we care about each other's, lives and outside of work, and I think that really helps the team bond as well. I feel like I'm working with friends, and we all have such a beautiful relationship, and we trust each other,
Even though I've been working with these people for so long, remotely, there's always something new that you're gonna learn about them every time we do these things.
And I look forward to connect to everyone, and I feel like this retreat elevated it even more. So now we are up a notch, and this is where we're going to go together.
5 hours of fun, and I realized that it's not about the length of time, it's about quality of time. In 5 hours, we spent so much time together. We did so many activities. So yeah, I just think it's the best thing. And it's probably the best activity I've ever done in my whole life.
Of course, the canyoneering. It was so fun. It was the best activity so far in my life. I've never done anything like it, and I'm doing it with the team. That makes it so much special.
I think this is the most extreme adventure that I did in my entire life.
So I really enjoyed our excursion today. It was fantastic.
So fun, but also so hard. It really is a once-in-a-lifetime event.
We are doing it as a team, and we're bonding, and we're cheering for each other. I feel so much closer to everyone.
Catch the wind.
I've been working for Outsourcing Angel for more than 10 years. I felt love on this company. I will not last for this long. So much concern about how I felt about my work, about my personal life.
And I have really bonded with the team. I've built some beautiful friendships, especially with the marketing team. I feel like everyone in Outsourcing Angel is really warm and welcoming. When I met them for the first time in person, it just felt like a continuing of this relationship that we already have built, over the past few months and years.
The best difference that I can say Outsourcing Angel has is that you just love working with them. It feels like we've known each other for such a long time, like the best people I've been around working in. This retreat has definitely helped the team unify once again, align our goals because of the strategy sessions that we've had. It's a retreat that's not only about fun and enjoyment, but also growth and learning.
I just think that together we just continue to bond and get close, and it means that we're gonna, succeed together. No matter what happens, whether it's challenging in business or not, I just feel like we'll have fun along the way. I don't feel like I'm more superior. I feel like I need the team, and I want the team to have such a great time, enjoy their time here, so that together we just succeed as a team. I love you and I appreciate you. I feel like there is no company without you all. I could have all the visions in the world, but it takes you all to believe in it, to push through, to do it for me and do it for everyone else. And so I'm really grateful for every single member, and I look forward to a long-term relationship working with you all.
With a feeling I've never known before. Through the high and low, nothing comes close. Nothing comes close.